Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's a big day, man. I'm so excited. I got a hold of a local company here that does vinyl for vehicles and signs and other things, and they're called Signs Now, right here in Beaufort, South Carolina. We are having Adventures Bound put on the side of the truck. It's gonna look really cool, guys. I'm really excited about this. I only wish I'd have done this before I went on my 30-day road trip. But then again, we have many more trips coming up, and this is free advertisement. I'm gonna have a bunch of bumper stickers made. I got t-shirts in the works, but I'm really excited to get this done. I'm going to take y'all with me, show you the process, and show you when it's done. And we are pulling up right now to Signs Now. Like I said, they're local, down the street from me here in Beaufort, South Carolina. They do amazing work. Really excited, guys. Really excited to get this done. Can't wait to show y'all. All right. Prep work is beginning. Right there, guys. The new vinyls going on the side of the truck. Man, I'm so stoked. I can't wait to see this when it's done, man. This is exciting. Well, the process begins. Scott over here at Signs Now is getting ready to, he's leveling it out, doing that tedious work. I don't know how they have the patience to do what they do, but that's the man right there getting ready to install it. Like I said, I would not have the patience to do this, man. I get past the V and I end up screwing it up. Right now they're working out the science. This is Scott and this is James, and they both work here at Signs Now. And here we go. These guys do it all the time, man. I don't have the patience for this. Is it me, or does it always seem like someone's blowing leaves in my videos? I just noticed that. Like I said, man, this is science. Right here. This is cheating. Like I said, I wouldn't have the patience to do it, man. Sorry about the leaf blower, folks. Right over there. Seems like every video I try to post has someone in the background blowing leaves. Sorry about the noise. Well, they got one side laid on. I guess they use this kind of solvent, and they're going to go and they're measuring and prepping the other side. Excited. And now they're getting ready to put it on the passenger side of the truck. Again, they had to work out the science on this side. I think it looks pretty damn good. I see James is the one that's got to pull the tape off, the paper off.
have to take it all off.
Man, look at that. Still got the blowers going though. It's gonna look good, man. James and Scott here at Signs Now, Beaufort, South Carolina, working their magic. Nice job, man. Nice job. I love it. That looks sharp. That looks really sharp. Scott, you nailed it, man.
There you go.
Thank you, brother. Man, that looks sharp. Coming to a city or a town near you. All right, guys. Wendy, James, and Scott over there at Signs Now did an amazing job on the truck. Now you can see me when I'm coming. Adventures Bound is coming to a town or a state near you. It wasn't until after we were finished that we decided that we were going to add it to the windshield as well. Hey, you gotta have it, man. Free advertisement. Can't complain about that. I'm also going to have my QR code added to the logo, you know, my Venmo, just for those out there that would like to support a guy. You know, gas ain't cheap, but I don't expect it. I just look forward to getting out there, taking some cool adventures and filming it all for you guys. I'm just so excited, man, you know, and I couldn't ask for a better backdrop right now. This is off the Broad River Bridge here in Beaufort, South Carolina. But this is Bob from Adventures Bound saying thank you to all my followers. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. If there's somewhere you'd like me to go, let me know. You know, you can get a hold of me on TikTok, you can get a hold of me on Instagram, and of course right here. So tell a friend. But guys, we'll see you this weekend. We're going on another adventure. Thanks.